On everybody, this is how to make a sandwich. First, we're just gonna take some bread, take that off of there and put it there, and then you're gonna grab the mayonnaise and the mustard. Where's the mustard? I grab some salt. Some cheese, ham, and spinach, because I don't have lettuce. And now that you've got all of your ingredients, you start making the sandwich. Now that you have your sandwich, there's only one last step. To grab your minigun. Okay.
Yeah, there he is!
You! Stop right where you are! That is an order! He's getting away! Do not let him get to the rape!
Don't do it, pal!
Do not do it!
Hey, just calm down here. You listening? Just. Oh God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!